our very first channel and our very first video. My name is Fadullah
And my name is Fadila.
and our mom has helped us set up the oven and all the things on the table right here. So let's start.
So we're making banana muffins. As you see, I'm going to pour in this flour and start to put the thing on it so it can start to steam. Okay? But if you like, you can use your hands. If you like, you can use your hands like this.
And I'm gonna start.
Guys, I'm making it on my own.
While she's doing that, I'll start mashing up my bananas, which you're supposed to do. I think I should be using my forks. See how the mixture plays in the drum? It's wet, all right.
And
I think I'll use the whisker for the last one.
Done with my shaving. So now I'm gonna remove this aside. And now I'm gonna which ingredient? I'm gonna have a half cup of sugar. As you see,
while she's doing that, I'll finish up my last banana. Okay. Never mind. I'll just use a fork instead. Oh.
Okay, so I'm just pour my sugar. As you see, I'm gonna put that aside too. So I'm gonna add a full spoon of baking soda. As you see, full spoon of baking soda. As you see, and I'm gonna pour it in slowly. So I'm all done with this. So now I'm gonna get this, the same spoon, and I'm gonna add a full spoon of baking soda.
While she's doing that, then I just finished mashing my bananas. So next.
Okay, so now as you see the salt, I'm gonna use a spoon. So I'm gonna add half, as you see. Then I'm gonna shiver it all around. I'm not gonna use the spoons because that may be make it too salty. So I'm gonna leave that. And now I'm gonna get this. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it with the mixer. So I'm gonna mix it slowly. All the ingredients together. It should turn the color white because all the ingredients are white. The baking powder, the baking soda, and plus the salt and the flour. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it more. Because you need to mix it very good so you don't get any big chunks. So I'm just gonna mix it and it's all ready.
While she's doing that, I just finished mashing all my bananas. It took a while. So next I'm gonna mix the eggs. I have 2 eggs right here. Then a half, one and a half, one and a half cup of melted butter. So now I'm just gonna put them all in, starting with the melted butter, and I'll mix it a bit before I put in the eggs. And then I'll mix it. And now I'll try to use the whisker without it getting spilled. It is mixing alright. Whoa. Okay, this is all ready, and the dry mixture is prepared by my sister, Fadila. So now I'm just gonna pour it in. The reason why I'm not pouring it into this one because it's smaller. So now I'll start mixing it all together. It's been a long time since I've baked things before, so gotta get used to it. I think I'm just gonna use. Look at these are the batters that we're using,
and I'm gonna lay them out, as you see.
Make sure you do it carefully. You don't want it to mess up. Okay. Next. We need to hurry up because we really want this thing to turn out good. Okay, guys. My little brother's away, so we'll have him play. I'll play it while I'll take it away to my sister.
Okay, so now I'm gonna pour the batter. So it's still kind of dripping, so I'm not gonna immediately pour it. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it into this one.
Hi, and it's my little brother up here.
I think we should go down. My mom will help me put.
Guys, we just finished our banana muffin pie, and please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell button below and
Give us a big thumbs up.
Bye bye.
Okay, so now we're gonna taste it.
Yeah.
The taste.
Let's see how good it looks and how it tastes.
How good it looks, how good it tastes.
Exactly. Taste testing time.